On this Volvo from around 2001 to 7, 9, depends if C90 goes further more. Sometimes there's a problem with the cabin blower. People notice it's not necessarily always a problem. They just shut off the engine and they notice the blower keeps spinning. There is a function, a setting in the computer that if you use the air conditioner, especially at some temperatures during summertime, there is a setting that will have the blower, which is somewhere located there, spin after the engine is off. The reason for this is that we have the AC evaporator, which needs to be dried off, otherwise it will just develop mold and will just start smelling when you blow. But sometimes if the blower spins after the engine is off, sometimes it also be caused by a problem with the blower regulator or resistor, whatever name is. This part can go bad. It's inside the blower. You need to undo the blower from there to replace the part. This is all the same part from all across the range, S60, C70, C90, the same part. It's not so expensive and you can just plug a used one if you try. But the way to determine if that's a problem or is that the setting, I'll just link in the comment section the software information for the Volvo Tech. So just check the comments below and just be sure to click on the read more on that comment. But usually if I understand well, but just correct me if I'm wrong, if the blower continues to spin right after turning off the engine, as far as I understand, that's not okay. It's if you read on that comment the specification from Volvo, it should start spinning about 40-50 minutes after turning off the engine, and I will do it for about 10-15 minutes. But if you think otherwise, just please comment. So that's a thing to maybe to just check if that happens. Also, people notice that sometimes it will just turn for so long time, 1 hour, 2 hours, it will drain the battery. That's not normal either. At that moment, the suspect part, it's this guy here. Cabin blower is not exactly easy to access. I'll link a video how I did remove it, but I hope this helps you guys. And again, if you do have any corrections, just comments in the section below. Thanks for watching. You can buy this online, FCP Euro. It's not that expensive, I think 40 bucks or so.